Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to work with the line spacing and paragraph spacing in Word software. So I'll open the software. Let us open a new blank document by clicking on blank document option here. So the line spacing option is available in the Home tab in the paragraph panel over here, this one. And the paragraph spacing option is available in the Design tab over here. Got it? So I'll come to the Home tab here. So currently I don't have any content on the page. So what I'll do is I'll copy some data and paste it on the document here. So to say about the line spacing, the line spacing means the gap between two lines. The gap between two lines. Whereas paragraph spacing means the gap between two paragraphs. This gap between two paragraphs here. Got it? So first, let us try the paragraph spacing. So come to the Design tab here and come to the paragraph spacing and click on this drop down and you can see different built-in options such as no paragraph space and you can see a live preview. And when I come to compact, you can see how it changes. And again, when you come to tight, you can see how it changes. In the same way, let us try open and relaxed. And there is one more, double. So choose whichever is best for you. So these are some built-in options which are useful. So the open looks much better here, right? So I'll go with open. So this is about the paragraph spacing. And also remember, the paragraph spacing is applied to the whole document. So you don't have to select any of the paragraphs here. Just select one of these options. Got it? Now let us come to the Home tab and try the line spacing option. So you can apply the line spacing to a single paragraph or you can apply the line spacing for the whole document. So in this case, I want to apply the line spacing for the first paragraph here. So I'll place the cursor somewhere inside the paragraph here and I'll come to the line spacing option here. And as I move the cursor on different numbers here, I can see a live preview. As I move the cursor on bigger numbers, there is more space between two lines, right? So I'll go with the 1.5 here. And as you can observe, the line spacing is applied only for the first paragraph here. So if you want to apply the line spacing for the whole document, you have to select the document from start to end to apply the line spacing. In paragraph spacing, you don't have to select the document as you have seen. So this is about the line spacing and paragraph spacing. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.